believe how much is coming out. It just doesn't stop. That's not even the biggest piece, but look at that. That can easily perforate his gut. These amazing people are trying to save as many chicks as they possibly can out here every single night for 3 weeks, just to give these shearwaters a chance.
The plastic attracts a diversity of chemicals and basically acts like a little toxic bullet. The critical question is, how much plastic is too much? Is it 1 piece? Is it 5? We need to figure that out because that's really common across a range of species.